475 click, and cost per conversion is 5.39 euro, and we won 156 euro yesterday. Actually, the campaign is performing good. If you found this video useful, please like this video, right? Okay, let's come to the point. uh, to add WhatsApp with your Google Ads, we have two options. The first option is easy, that is free method, and the option is paid method. First, I will cover the free options. First, you need to come here, campaign, then the asset. When you come here, the asset, you will have the option message tab. With message tab, as you already see, I have added WhatsApp button, and the WhatsApp button is getting click as well as everything. And when you add as a new, then you need to click this plus button, and there the options to add, whether you want to add in account level or campaign level or add group. Like I want to add account level, and as a new, then you need to choose WhatsApp, Messenger, or Zello. So in this case, WhatsApp, and here is a country, and here's a number, and then you need to put the message you want to show, and then you need to select the call to action button, right? And then you choose, then you could choose call now as your CTA. Okay, and when you to save, it will save, and will be ready to use with your Google Ads. So this is one of the method. Some account don't have these options, then they also add this option from data manager, and this is a paid method. Here you see we have already added Google Analytics 4, Google Business Profile, and YouTube with our account, Google Ads account. If you want to add Messenger as well, then you need to search here like WhatsApp, so then you need to click here, then need to authorize, and for using this option you need to uh, use Zapier, and Zapier will may charge a few based on the package you are using for this. Okay guys, so this way you could add WhatsApp with your videos. If you found these videos helpful, you give a like and to subscribe if possible for you, and stay with us. See you in next video. Have a good day.